So hello everyone. I have Ron with me from Postal Mulching and Clearing. How you doing, Ron?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Very good. So I wanted to start off, if you could, please tell us a little bit about your background and what it is you do.
So, Coastal Mulching and Clearing was established in 2022 after I retired from the sheriff's office up in Kentucky and moved to Alabama. Um, Down here in Alabama, we go in, we clear properties for new homes, we cut driveways, and also add culverts and all kinds of excavation work.
Very cool. So what areas do you service out there in Alabama?
We service all of Baldwin, Mobile County, Escambia County, Florida, Escambia County, Alabama.
Nice. So what challenges were you facing, Ron, before you started working with us?
Well, before I started working with you guys, I was always fighting local Facebook ads to where I had to post my own materials and whatnot, and it was just a weekly nightmare. And I was lucky enough to stumble across you guys, and you guys have been absolutely terrific.
Appreciate that. Likewise. Can you talk about how those challenges at the time were affecting your business or growth?
Well, as anybody knows who's on Facebook by yourself, you have to post videos and ads, and you're at what's happening now in small town USA, and you're kind of handcuffed to the administrator on what they allow you to post and what you allow not to post. So um, that was my biggest hiccup. I only could post one picture on Monday or one picture on Tuesday or something along them lines. So
Hmm.
I was really I threw all my eggs in one basket and hoping that these small town administrators would post my ads, and it wasn't working out.
I see. So what made you choose Excavation Marketing Pros over other marketing agencies you could have gone with?
Well, I've been with a few agencies, and I seen the good, seen the bad, and you guys had excellent reviews. My initial interview with you, Scott, was through the roof, and I took you for your face value, and you have been nothing but gold since then.
Appreciate that. Were there any hesitations, Ron, or concerns before starting? Um, what convinced you to move forward?
Well, the again, the initial interview with you, you answered all my questions, you checked all my boxes, you had full faith, and I took you for your word. You have a lot of confidence, which means that you know what you're doing. And some of the other people I've worked with, hey, let me get back with you on this, let me get back with you on that. That wasn't you at all. If I had a question, you immediately had an answer. So that that's where I threw my confidence in you, and this is where we've been.
Hmm. How would you describe the communication and support you've received?
Off the hook. Absolutely off the hook. If I have any questions at all, I have more than probably 6 or 7 ways to contact you guys and to answer within.
Hmm. Can you talk about results you've seen working with us, lead volume, quality, revenue growth, any sort of thing like that, visibility?
Well, revenue growth has boosted my business quite a bit. Um, I was in the right around $20,000 range starting out. Now I'm well exceeding in the 30s and 40s. So you basically double my business. And leads, you go from 1 to 2 leads a week to I think I'm averaging 15 now. I think is the number I thought I saw earlier today. So
Nice.
you guys are definitely doing a solid job.
Thanks. Now, how has this success changed or improved your business operations? What have you done as a result?
Well, as a result of since September, 2025 being with you guys, I have purchased a new 1 ton truck, purchased a gooseneck. I have 2 more employees on board now, so quite a bit.
That's great. Congrats. Were there any unexpected benefits or wins you experienced while working with us?
Yeah, I would say that. I would say that the caliber of leads are much stronger and bigger than what I was getting on my own.
Yeah. What would you say to another excavation contractor or even a septic contractor business owner considering working with us?
Well, working with you guys is leaps and bounds of working by yourself. And if they're on the fence trying to figure out go, then um I would say just jump on it because you guys have been great to me. And everybody should have the same expectations and the same what the hell am I trying to say here? Same opportunities with
Mm-hmm.
you guys. So that's what's about because I can't get the same opportunities on my own without you guys. I just can't do it. So that's what I
Appreciate
tell
it.
them.
Um, so in all, would you recommend Excavation Marketing Pros to others and why?
Absolutely. I would recommend them leave, hands down. Just simply again, because if I have a question, you're always guys are always a phone call away, or you doubled my business for me. So without you guys, I'd probably still be fighting small town USA somewhere.